Hey everybody, it's me, Miss Ebony V. Thanks so much for joining my channel. I just wanted to bring a quick tutorial on this Morphe James Charles eyeshadow palette. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, stick around. Alright y'all, so I am starting this look as usual with my eyebrows already sculpted and my eyelids already primed and ready to go. So here is this beautiful palette, Morphe James Charles, with these magnificent colors that I have been so excited to try. This has every color you could even imagine in this eyeshadow palette. So the first color I'm going to start with for this look is this cola color, which is a really deep blue color. I'm going to place this color right into my crease area.
To see if you would call me. I miss you more when you seem too far away. And you can blame it all on me as long as we can find our way. Do you remember all the times we tried to stop this? Yeah, we end up the same.
Okay, next I'm going to blend in this escape purplish color over the cola color.
Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Somewhere in between our secrets, there's an imminent storm. It's unavoidable, yeah. But as long as I feel that you see me, I will pay no mind at all. So give me a chance to make it right.
Okay, so I'm going to follow that color up with this rusted orange looking color.
Just let us keep on with the black guys. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. We are sweet on our secrets.
Okay, so now I'm going to soften the edges of the rusted color with this bee yellowish color.
You and I, we're always on the edge.
So as I was blending in this other side, I kept noticing this little tiny piece of hair that was like straggling down from my eyebrow. So that's why I kind of brushed up my eyebrow, but I still see it, and it was like really getting on my nerves. So once I realized the brush was not working alone to get this hair back in place, I just decided to grab my tweezer and go on and tweeze these few little hairs away so that I can have a nice clean brow. Now I'm going to do a quick cut crease using MAC's Pro Longwear Concealer in the color NC45. Now let me go ahead and confess, I am still learning to perfect this cut crease. I mean, you have to be so precise with this cut crease. And I have a hard time making both sides look exactly the same. It's almost impossible for me. But like I always tell my kids, practice makes better. So I'm going to keep practicing this.
Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers.
See, it is so easy to go outside of the line you're trying to make. So you just have to be very careful, very patient to get the look that you're looking for.
But as long as I feel that you see me, I will pay no mind at all. So give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive.
Okay, so now I'm going to use a clean flat brush to kind of control the excess product that's on my eyelids before I add my setting powder.
First time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. We are sweet on our secrets. Telling black guys to keep them.
Okay, so for my outer V, I'm going to go back in with that cola color that I began with that is in my crease area. And as you can see, because I did the cut crease, the color looks a little lighter now that I have the concealer on my eyelids.
You and I, we're always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time. Would you break up just because I told you what I did last night? I recall the times you said you're sorry.
Okay, so now I'm going to add the middle color to my lid. And at first, I began with the escape color.
Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black.
For the inner and remaining part of the lid, I am going to go in with the color Playground, which is this really pretty blue. And look how bright this color is compared to the other colors. I mean, this color is powerful, but I love it. So this is Playground.
As long as we can find our way. Do you remember all the times we tried to stop this? Yeah, we end up the same every time. 'Cause when our bodies meet, there's nothing left to fight about. We're holy when we touch anyhow. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you.
So right now I am just blending these colors as much as possible. I'm going to keep going over the different individual colors to make sure everything is well blended.
Make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. There's an imminent storm, it's unavoidable. Yeah, but as long as I feel that you see me, I will pay no mind at all. So give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys.
Okay, so now I'm gonna add my liner using NYX Vinyl Liquid Eyeliner in black. I would normally do a wing liner, but because there is so much color going on in this look, I am just gonna do a quick liner over the eyes without the wing. Okay, now I'm gonna add an edge line using the concealer I use under my eyebrows, and this is just to make the look more precise and clean. And I'm going to do the same on both sides and just kind of blend that out before I add my foundation.
You and I, we're always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time. Would you break up just because I told you what I did last night? All the times you said you're sorry.
All right, so now I am going to finish the rest of my face, add my lashes, and I'll be back for the final look. Don't go nowhere. Be right back. All right, everybody, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video using this magnificent and colorful James Charles Morphe palette that I am in love with. Like, the colors, of course, are super pigmented. There is every color you can think of in this palette. A must-have, a must-have. So I plan to create so many more looks with this palette, so just stay tuned because they are coming. I thank you once again for taking time to even watch this video. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below. And I will list all of the details of all of the products that I used in this video, including this beautiful hair. Hello? And guess what her name is? Her name's Ebony. Yes, honey. I will leave the deets down below. Until next time, everyone. Bye, y'all.
But as long as I feel that you see